Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today I'm here at Robinhood. All right, mostly crypto here, but today we're going to look at this new feature. The new feature is Robo investing. You guys know I've been doing Robo on SoFi, and it's pretty good. All right, you can go look at the video. It's beating my returns handily. So let's take a look at what we got today. So let's click on it now. And as a gold member, you have some extra benefits. Here you go. You can get the first 1,000 free. All right. You can get up to $500 on transferring money over, up to 50K. So that's pretty good. You got to do it quick though. And then here's the cool thing. Anything over 100K, you are capped out. So you put $1 million in, you still only pay 0.25% on the first 100K, and they manage the whole $1 million for that small fee, which is actually a pretty good darn deal if they deliver. So that's the key. So let's go see what this is all about. So I'm going to say individual. All right. Let's get started on the portfolio. So they're probably going to ask me some questions, kind of like SoFi, if you watch that video, on my risk tolerance. What's my main goal? Okay. Preserve the money, which is very conservative. Balanced, right, which is a combo, probably like a 60-40 stocks bond split or something. And then grow my money over time, probably higher losses. That means aggressive growth. I'm going with that one. So what do I want to do? Let's see. Buy a home? No. Pay for a major expense? No. Education? No. Pay off debt? No. Build wealth for the future. So I think I'm going to very aggressive posturing here. Here we can temper the aggressiveness, obviously. The lowest risk is probably cash, maybe into bonds. And then highest is probably all stock. So I'm just going to go max because I've got plenty of time. So here's your time horizon. And is it likely you'll need to withdraw earlier than planned? Not likely at all for me. So obviously make those your basic, tailor those questions to you. Just an example. See what we get. So here we go. It's reviewing everything, putting it to its algorithm. All right, and let's see what they came up with. So it said 95% stocks, 5% bonds, and I'm guessing that's 0% cash at this point. So, all right, let's see what else you got. Growth stocks, okay. Here we say, here's some examples. Amazon, Salesforce. Pretty good, pretty good. All right. Here how everything goes together. U.S. stocks. International stocks, which I am not fond of, guys. I don't know if you've watched any of my other videos, but international, I try to steer clear from. So if I can customize this, I will. Let's see if I can customize this. It appears that I can't. Wait, here's edit at the top. Edit. So here is. Oh, I can only update the investor profile. Ugh. Okay. Well, this, okay, cash is less than 1%, obviously. U.S. bonds and T-bills, I'm okay with that. But I really wish I could get rid of the international stocks because I do not like that option. So, all right, well, here's where we would transfer money in, but actually I'm not going to do that today because I am not super thrilled with the international part. So until I can figure out how to do that, if you guys know how, leave your comment below, because it's just not my thing. I like to invest in the US. I don't like to invest internationally. It's one of my quirks. Okay. If you guys aren't aware, there's a anime out there, Quirks. It's a superpower. But in this case, I wouldn't say it's a superpower. But here, I can view. No, that's not it. Alright, so I'm not really sure how to, let's change that and see what happens. Nope, international stocks are still there. Okay, okay, not thrilled with it. Okay, let's go medium risk. Okay, obviously there's some changes here. International stocks are lower, 18%, but still no. Okay. Anyway, guys, if you guys do this, let me know how it works out for you. And if you find a good mix, let me know. International stock 16%. Nope. Alright, anyway, I just wanted to run you guys through this a little bit. It seems you can't customize the robo investing quite enough for my taste at this point. So if you've been catching Bitcoin recently, you've been seeing it go higher and higher. So I think we're on a good track. If you look over the last 3 months, it's a good trend, right? So down from this point, 78, should have stocked up. And you can see I had a couple of buys in, not tons of money, but little bits. So anyway, tell me what you guys think, where Bitcoin's going. I think it's going higher before it goes back lower again. So let's hang out, see what happens. Be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.